Hello everyone, my name is Yuan Aziza and today I will going to tell you about this book, Kidnapped by Robert Louis Stevenson. Synopsis of this book is Kidnapped narrates the escapade of a juvenile male called David Balfour who became an orphan and is subsequently abducted by his malevolent uncle Ebenezer Balfour. While seeking justice and his rightful inheritance, David encountered Alan Breck Stewart, a courageous Highlander, on his journey. They participate in different escapades in 18th century Scotland, confronting their adversaries and evading capture by government troops. David and Alan encounter a variety of challenges and risks while work to demonstrate the truth and establish their entitlements. Next, character and theme. In this book, they have many characters, but I only take 5 characters. First is Alan Breck Stewart, a flamboyant but skilled warrior from Scottish Highland. Alan is Jacobite rebel and he is fiercely loyal to his clan and countrymen, excellent sportsman and marksman, but he is also braggart. Number 2, Ebenezer Balfour, the scheming, miserly uncle of David Balfour. Ebenezer plot to have David killed taken away. He can have complete control of the Balfour fortunes. Number 3, Captain Hutchison, the captain of the ship Covenant. Hutchison abducted David onto his ship on orders of David's uncle and later tried to kill David and Alan. He is shipwrecked after the Covenant founder on the Torran Rocks. Number 4, Mr. Campbell, the kindly Protestant preacher who take care of David after his death passed away. Number 5, Mr. Rankeillor, David lawyer. Mr. Rankeillor have David against his scheming uncle Ebenezer near the end of the novel. The theme of this book is loyalty and friendship, honor, and the scarcity of ethics. Setting time kidnapped in 1751. Kidnapped set in Scotland after the Jacobite rebellions and is narrated by teenager David Balfour. The recently orphaned left rural to seek his fortune with his relative, the Balfour of the House of Shaw. Climax. Kidnapped unfold as David Balfour and Alan Breck Stewart, a key figure in the Highlander surprising, join force to take on their mutual foes, particularly Red Fox, the head of the governmental troop, hunting them down. The decisive moment happens when they become involved in a conflict while on a boat near the shore of Scotland. The intense battle is full suspense as David and Alan live are truly at risk. They futurate on the result of this conflict and the choice they make in the midst of the struggle will shape what lies ahead for them. The solution: when David and Alan successfully defeat their foes during a battle aboard the ship, they successfully protect themselves and overcome the hidden danger. Following the peak of the story, David and Alan proceed with their quest of justice and struggle for their right in the resolution. Plot: after the death of his father, young David discovers that his uncle has cheated him out of his inheritance. Subsequently, his uncle has David kidnapped and placed on a ship bound for the Carolines. Aboard ship, Balfour and Alan Breck, a political rebel, become David's friend. When the ship wrecked, they escape across the Scottish Highlands under suspicion of having committed a political murder that accidentally witnessed. Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you the second book is Anne Frank Tales from the Secret Annex. The synopsis of this book is collection writing by Anne Frank include short story, essay, personal notes, Anne writing during her time in hiding from Nazi Germany. The book provides us a deeper understanding of Anne Frank's daily life and profound thought during her hiding in the annex of a building in Amsterdam. Character Anne Frank. As a main character and writer, Anne Frank is intelligent and talented. She has a deep sensitivity on the world around her and expresses it in her writing. Margot Frank, Anne's sister, described as a calmer and less stressed in making discussion, often acting as a mature and stable person. Otto Frank, Anne's father, described as wise and loving, always keeping his family spirit up during the exile. Peter Van Den. Peter is a boy who went into hiding with the Frank family. He is a close friend of Anne, has a shy and introspective nature. Character development arises over time. Miep Gies and Biep Voskuit. Both are members who hiding with Anne Frank family. Miep has a compassionate and dedicated nature, while Biep has a more reserved but loyal friends. Setting: it is located in the vicinity of Amsterdam, where the Frank family hid from the Nazi during World War II. The house is located at Prijsgracht, part of the Anne Frank house, which is now a museum. The room used for hiding was a back room above auto office, at the back of the building. This narrow space became a hiding place for ex-Jews who avoided the danger of the Nazi. Climax: in Anne Frank's tale from the Secret Annex, perhaps the climax comes when the Frank and others in hiding are discovered by Nazi force in August 190,044. This marked the end of their exile and the beginning of a darker adventure, with their deportation to concentration camps. Plot: Anne Frank's tale from the Secret Annex is a collection of diverse writing, including short story, essay, and personal notes written by Anne Frank while hiding from the Nazis during World War II. The book provides an overview of the daily life and thought of Anne and those who hide with her in the background room in Amsterdam. The plot covers their experience during exile, including moments of anxiety, togetherness, and courage. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and goodbye.